There's something in the back of his head. He has a big ass black dot. It's like bald in that. And bitches, it's like a robot bird. Like how this one literally doesn't know. This is a robot bird. And you're caught in 4K. Aren't you supposed to like fly away? Like, why are you just hopping around? Like, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna grab you. I don't even want to touch you. But you are suspicious, sir. You are very, very suspicious. You're a bird. Why are you not flying away? Why are you just hopping? Your wings work. You keep flapping them. So do you work for the government? Are you part of the CIA? FBI? Some other shit I don't know how to say. Or I don't know the like letters of. You're a pretty bird though. You're gorgeous. You are a very gorgeous bird. But you're not real. But look how cute you are. Look how cute. Even though you're a robot, you pretty. Even though you're a robot, you pretty. Look at you. Got a pretty hot Cheeto color. Look at you. You're a cutie. Oh, you're a cutie even though you're not real. I gotta go that way anyway, so I'm trying to scare you. Rah, 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 rah. A real bird would have flew away. Look, he's looking at me. You zooming in on my face? Tell the FBI I need $1 million and I'll sell myself if I got to. Tell them that. Make it $1 billion and I'll sell myself. Do whatever the fuck y'all want me to do. You going on YouTube, homie? You're a cute bird though. Look how pretty.